Summer is such a beautiful, colorful time of year. I love seeing the show that nature gives us just outside our doors. Hello, friends, and welcome to my home. Let's spend some time together today. My day always begins with a bold cup of coffee. How about you? After our morning java, let's take a nature walk. Look at how green everything is right now. We have had a lot of rain this spring, and it really shows. And look at this cute little friend we made.
Sure does. Daddy said don't touch her.
When we returned home from our walk, I made some banana muffins, mainly because we had some bananas that were past their prime, but those bananas make the best bread. I am using a recipe called Joy's Easy Banana Bread from the All Recipes website. And while they cooked, I added up the calories. They turned out golden brown and delicious. Next, I began working on some slow stitch embroidery for another eco print bundle. It has become something that I like to do on these seasonal days. I am making a sun today, and I start by tracing around a lid to make a circle. And then I add the rays. I am using 2 strands of beautiful red thread to make some short fly stitches around the circle. Then I make some chain stitches on some of the sun rays. I don't really plan out these projects, I just make it up as I go. It's a refreshing change to the sewing projects that I've been working on, where things need to be a little more precise and thought out. Now, let's outline the circle with a backstitch. And while we are at it, let's fill in some of the rays as well. For the rest of the sun rays, I combined some straight stitches and back stitches with purled cotton to create some texture and whimsy. I think it turned out simple and cute. It has a kind of a southwestern vibe, I think. I want to try some of these dried hibiscus leaves to see how well they will print onto the fabric. Hopefully they will add some color to the sun. I will also wrap it up with a rusty handle, and yes, I know, the back looks very messy and sloppy, but I am not going to be fussy about that today. Now, let's place it out in nature and let the dyeing happen, well, naturally. I have the perfect hiding place. Don't mind my weeds or composting. I apologize for the shaky camera. I spent the rest of the afternoon with my daughter in the pool. It's been a beautiful day, and I hope that you have many adventures this summer. Take care and goodbye. See you next week.